Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to activate your Windows 10. Here you see the image. When it needs activate your Windows, you will see this type of watermark in the bottom right of your PC. I don't have right now because I have removed it, and other things, you can check that um, when you check your my computer properties, then you will find that that Windows is not activated here. So when I have to go to activate the Windows with the Windows key. Now I'll show you how to resolve this problem of your Windows. So first of all, you have to download a software that this with this with this link, from this link, and I am downloading this software from the this link, and I'm showing you how to download this software from this link. Just paste, and I'll give this link to the description under the video. So when you go to this URL, you will get this URL and go to skip ad. Click on skip ad. It will go to the actual link of this software. Then click on download. It will start downloading. Sorry, now it will start downloading. It is 53.6 megabyte, and save, and okay, it is downloading. I already downloaded it, so I don't need to need this one to re-download it. You are seeing this is the one. I'm cancelling the download, so remove from history. I'm going to the software. Before I use that software, I have to do something else. First of all, I have to disable my antivirus for 10 minutes. I'm using Avast, so I'm disabling antivirus for 10 minutes. Yes, confirm. Then I have to disable my firewall. Sorry, I have gone wrong here. Firewall. Oh shit. Go to control panel. I'm searching here firewall, and going to Windows Defender. Then turn Windows Defender firewall off, turn off, select this, and okay. Then I am going to the software. I'm going that is the software is Microsoft Toolkit. This is Microsoft Toolkit 2.6. You have to use 2.6 to work on Windows 10. So I'm using this Microsoft Toolkit 2.6. Then yes, it will open the software as it is opened, and then double click on it and it will open the software. Then activation, click on activation, then select auto KMS and then EZ activator, click on EZ activator, then it will install the software automatically. I'm waiting, you have to wait some time for installing these things automatically. I'm waiting for this one. I'm pausing this video so that it is not going to so much time. It already 6 minutes. The software is successfully installed and product activation key activation successful installing auto game. So the auto game was successfully installed. So you see how this is successful installation. Now I am showing you how we'll get it. It will remove, when this is successfully installed, it will automatically remove this this message here, the watermark of the activation windows, that will be removed. And then I'm checking this, the product key is installed. You're seeing I didn't closed it before, so it is not showing this. So I am now going to, yes, this thing Windows is activated, so this is showing me the product key and change the product key. So how the Windows is activated right now. Awesome thing and very easy to use, and anyone can use, and no coding you needed. So thank you to watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my video. And if you subscribe my channel, then I will be very motivated for creating new videos for you. Thank you so much.